Hello and welcome to the channel. As you have decided to learn the AWS and this is your first step to create the free account so that you can practice the AWS services. So it's a very simple steps, but the prerequisite to set up your is you require which should be in your name and the second is to have a demo with you. So let's get started. Let's start a browser. Go to the URL aws.amazon.com/free and hit the enter. Let the website be loaded and you will see the button over here, create a free account. Click on that. Wait for it to key in your email ID. Fine. And choose your password according to your convenience, but be compliant with whatever the password rules applies over here. The same for confirm password, and then finally choose your account name, which will be displaying in your AWS account, root account. So just click on the continue. I'll just discard this. I don't want to save the data. So for that reason, I'll just get out. So you can choose what type of account it is. So if it is a professional, then choose professional. But if you're doing for training purposes, then choose personal. So I'll choose personal. Give your phone number. So you have to fill out these details according to your need. And then choose the country, the location where you are situated. Choose my place and give some address. I will change the phone number. So choose your phone number. It and postal code. So just going to keep it default one. And indicate that you have read and agreed to the terms. So just click over that. And here it comes. So there is a second screen which where you have to give the credit card or debit card number, so which applies in your case. So just give your credit card or debit card number as per your convenience. This note that appears over here that clearly says that it will charge you 2 rupees, which is INR. Since I'm choosing the country as India, so the currency is INR, and it will charge 2 rupees on my card that I'll put the card number on, and same amount will be refunded to my account within some 3 to 5 days of time. Depends on card providers to providers. So it's going to take maximum 5 days of time to reverse the same amount of time. Why Amazon takes the card number and deducts the amount and reverse is because it wants to do the KYC verification. So it relies on bank information of the person who is creating the account. So that's the reason it is taking your card number and deducting a minimal amount as 2 rupees for India. Geographically, if you are in a different country, so similarly the smallest amount possible on your currency will be charged, and it will be reversed within 3 to 5 days. So give the appropriate informations over here, whatever applies in your case. This is something I have not given a correct address, but in your case it should be the proper address, because this is the address where the billing will be sent. Logically, the billings will come in electronic format to your account only, but just in case if it's not a personal account, if it's a professional account, then the hard copy of the bills are sent to the same address. So feel free to give address or modify the address with the new address choosing the second option. If you have a PAN card, which is a personal account number, this is basically for India. It's required to have the PAN card to show the income tax details and to also share the income tax details with government so that they can audit and find out if there are something which you can get as a tax rebate or you should pay for any income you are making. So these details, if you have a PAN card, you have to choose yes and give a PAN card number. If you don't have, then it's okay. You can move on and then click on secure submit button. The moment you submit it, you will get an email which will go to your email ID. So you have to verify that account and it may ask you to activate the account. So it will take somewhere half an hour time max to activate your account. The moment your account is activated, you are ready to use the account. So thanks for watching this video. Your account is ready to be used and I wish you very happy learning on AWS. Thanks a lot.